first video in the car with my sister. You know, she's been like my other arm and leg during this whole process. But this is my first time actually going outside by myself, just being shot. I'm about to go to Brooklyn to the studio, see the fellas, reconnect where we left off. But you know, everything's tedious, but I'm getting better. I'm healing up, so I don't want to hear complaints. We gotta still get things done. So that's what we're doing today. Today's Friday. If I'm not mistaken, today is the 10th. So I'm like 40 days out after being shot. I got shot on the first.
I ain't losing no cake, ain't nothing but a write-off. And all the hate, go and have me turn your mic off.
When I get to the city, but we 845 and this is coming down from upstate New York. And we're gonna tap in for the day, alright? You on train. It's been a minute since I've been on this one.
Carry the same energy from the day I was born. Still tying up some loose ends. So why the fuck would I need some
feeling
friends?
All
I
made
see
crazy,
the snake
painful,
skin. This shit
more
feel like
over
we came
anything.
and dropping the blueprint. Just shut up and just listen. This shit is just different. We go all talk down. This shit is uplifting. Might have just flew here. Really, I'm just driven without no fucks given. Like, what is the doubt for? Get all your power stripped and betray on my downfall. Shit for Cosmo, that's how you know I'm about more. And I never been a gimmick, what I'm chasing your clout for. Back at it in a different tax bracket. Double park the bench, getting the hit the hazard. BU fabrics, Dio the mansion. Doing it for Cosmo, and it's over snatch shit. Living what I once imagined. Going up, just can't see a decline. What's mine is yours and yours is mine. We gon' keep attaining success over time. Salute to Cosmo, I'm on my grind. We going up, can't see a decline. What's mine is yours and yours is mine. We gon' keep attaining success over time. Salute to Cosmo, I'm on my grind. 94, 95, we was out in the P's. Around the time we got pat down by the D's. Got the burner on my waist, I ain't making the scene. If the murder is the case, then I'm making it clean. Got my mind on my business and I'm out of the way. These niggas on the benches while I'm making the plays. Came up out the trenches cause we figured a way. Upgrade new.
Everything that's mine, you know I'm coming to get. And every shot I take, I know you pray I'm gonna miss. Nigga, not at all. You ain't with us, nigga, not at all. You ain't stepping on your business, nigga, not at all. Going up, know you praying that I gotta fall. Stop playing with me, motherfucker, knock it off.
Process, but the whole main of the conversation right now is music publishing. You know what I'm saying? It's very important. Everybody heard about what happened with the Locks, Diddy. You know what I mean? Everybody hears how everybody's trying to have their publishing. That's because what happens is usually they get into a contract, and within that contract, the person is already giving these artists an advance. For that advance, they're usually giving up a lot of their publishing. You know what I mean? I'm talking about these niggas getting like 3%, 7%. But you know, sometimes like there was a deal that I almost got for Dolly that we had to refuse. They was gonna give us 60 grand. But yo, they was gonna be raping us. You know what I'm saying? So, you know, I appreciated the offer. But you know what I mean? That's what a lot of artists is taking. You know what I'm saying? A lot of artists are taking that. And the bigger the bag, the more longer the contract, or you lose ownership or rights to the music. You know what I mean? Did you go into these studios or they pay for studio time and they own those records? You know what I'm saying? Me as a music publisher who I am registered to ASCAP, that's who I'm a member to. You know what I'm saying? So I have a writer's publishing number and I have a publisher's number. You know what I mean? It's two different things. You can still have your writer publishing rights, but not as a publisher. You know what I'm saying? So you gotta have both. You know what I mean? And again, I made a video before saying to everybody how ASCAP is free right now, because it's usually a fee for your writer and publisher, two separate entities, and they're doing both of them right now for free. So again, if you don't have your publishing, rush to ASCAP.com right now, or I put the link to the video that I made showing you how to join, you know what I mean, while it's free. You know what I mean? As you can see, the other video I posted, BMI is $75 for your writer's fee, and they want $250 to have your publishing company. and it's $150 for just your publishing rights. You know what I mean? They breaking it down into 3. Because I have a publishing company. My publishing company is called Old Charles Publishing. And that's what's back in Big Business Music Group. So Big Business Music Group has publishing. You know what I'm saying? And I work with, partner with any artist. And as soon as you come to the door, first thing I'm trying to tell you is, do you have your publishing? All right, let's get that. So now we could get publishing splits. But it's a lot easier if I could put your information into the box, and I'm gonna show people how to do that next too. I already have that video. I just gotta still edit it, then I'll put it out on submitting your song and actually going through that process. You know what I mean? And how you can see the splits between multiple publishers and writers. You know what I'm saying? So, and I experiment too. So it's not like I don't got both. I do have BMI. Just so luckily I did this such a while ago. The fee was different. I think when I did it, the publishing company fee was $150, and the writer's fee I don't remember. But yeah, so I got publishing on both sides. So you know, I'm gonna put a little bit more in there so you know what a publisher is. And you know, any questions, just tap in with me. You know what I mean? Let's talk about it. I'm here to help. It's free, so I'm not gonna charge you either. You know what I'm saying? Let's just talk about it. I'll push, definitely direct you in the right way. I want every artist in the 845 to have their publishing. So when you step in them offices based on your talent that got you there, you know that your shit is covered, bro. You know what I mean? And sis, all y'all out here working hard. I see y'all. I see y'all watching. You know what I mean? And some of this music is great music, but guess what? That shit don't mean nothing if your shit ain't backed by the business. You know what I'm saying? There's 2 major things that cover your music, man. It ain't putting that shit out on fucking DistroKid either. It's publishing and copyrights. That's what gets you paid, bro. Or you gotta be ready to negotiate at the lower end of the spectrum if you don't have your shit back. That's it, you know what I mean? So I hope y'all appreciate the energy, you know what I mean? It's always about getting out and getting yours, and that's what I'm doing. You know what I mean? And I use every vehicle I can. Everybody know me, know how I really move, you know what I'm saying? Multiple hustles, that's why I Mr. All Business. You know what I mean? And this YouTube is a new hustle too. So anybody who's new need to tap in with that. And don't be shy, don't be scared. Just give your energy. Just make sure you do one thing. You give value. Whatever you specialize in, I don't care what it is, just get online and talk about it, because there's somebody out there who's going to relate or need the information. That's it, you know what I mean? And guess what? All you got to do is believe in God. That's it. But yo, the topic of discussion today is, of course, something that's reflect the business behind the music. You know what I mean? I showed y'all, you know what I mean, the vibe, what a publisher is, what a publisher does. The publisher is just somebody who loves music and wants to create some of the music that they like to hear, or they feel like their audience likes to hear. They have an audience. You know what I'm saying? So that's what I do. You know, we get a lot of work done doing what we do. Still working, second one. We still under an hour too. Get the hooks done, then you get the verses done. This is what it means to be a publisher. I'm not even rapping. I get the beats, I get the best artists, and I get the work. You know what I'm saying? You get the engineers, and you go do what you gotta do. You don't gotta be a rapper to have your own music. This is my music, this is my song. Let's get it, you know what I mean? Get money. One of the artists that don't write when they create music, so he just listening to the beat and just vibing, and he's gonna go to the mic and do what he do. Everybody don't do that, you know what I mean? I still gotta write, but you got those who can do that, you know what I'm saying? It's a good talent. It's kind of special when you watch it though. It's like magic, you know what I'm saying? That's what the greats do.
Yeah. I apologize for all the hurt and the pain inside my mama's eyes. Now my kids in the cycle and they traumatized, but the work is in the pot, let the product rise. I've arrived. Every day they plotting on my demise, speaking on my name and they ain't qualified. This ain't the type of life you should idolize. In the streets, so we follow is the dollar signs.
You're the one that I'm with. The other girls ain't shit though. I said, you're the one that I'm with.
She know who I'm with, she know I'm all in. Yeah, we getting rich, bitch, I'm all in. All wanna get lit up, friends, it's all in. She the one who I with.
Big Business Music Group.
Lift the gas. And I put up a double. You know my average, you niggas in trouble.
Doing this shit.
You really think any life? Bitch, I'm a dawn, I come from the struggle.
I'm ready to kill this shit.
She got a gun in her hand tryna cuddle.
The album.
Let's get it. You made your bed, now you gotta sleep. Niggas be making me weak, huh? Niggas be dead, get put in the blunt. Man, you can't even get put in this beat. It's top of the line, it's not a disguise. I'm riding the vibe like I'm cruising the beach. You knocking the guys, but we knocking the hide. I do it for cause, I do it for Reese. You know I be fucking the bank up. When I walk in, you niggas go bankrupt. Your flow is dead and that shit never change up. My bitch is bad when she take off her makeup. Yeah. You wanna clash, I'ma go stupid. You got a problem, go get a solution. Niggas is trash, I really do this. Light up the gas, I really do this. I get saluted at the gas. Fuck with them niggas is trash. You know me, dog, this shit in the smash. That's what you get just for thinking you bad. I just lit up the gas. Fuck with them niggas is trash. You know me, dog, this shit in the smash. That's what you get just for thinking you bad.
I'm writing with reason. Niggas know how I'ma keep it. Yeah, niggas on iron with speaking. I'm walking out of the precinct. Yeah, I'm walking out of the court. Fuck as you thought, the king of New York. I got the sauce, of course. I took a loss and I bounced back. I sold the niggas, they shout back. Killed the mixtapes, they don't count that. My niggas really about that. My niggas really about that. Yeah, listen, a nigga, be cautious. So you ain't playing me close. You know the way it goes. Yeah, you know the way it goes.
I just lit up the gas. Fuck with them niggas is trash. You know me, dog, this shit in the smash. That's what you get just for thinking you bad. I just lit up the gas. Fuck with them niggas is trash. You know me, dog, this shit in the smash. That's what you get just for thinking you bad.
Seriously, sociopath, psychotic with the key, balance. 999 number divine, brother. Ain't no shadows big enough. Deplete me, watch me re-up. Case for everybody in it. Karma send them shots flipping. Baby strollers toppling. Ain't that doppelganger spinning. Racist on that black magic. But I fuck with white witches. Esoteric pay my cars. Whole life been a king of pentacles. To a couple niggas out the closet. Inside they ain't really pimping.
I just lit up the gas. Fuck with them niggas is trash. You know me, dog, this shit in the smash. That's what you get just for thinking you bad. I just lit up the gas. Fuck with them niggas is trash. You know me, dog, this shit in the smash. That's what you get just for thinking you bad.